Tell me that again.
I eat a cupcake.
You're eating a cupcake.
Yeah. What's icing on it?
Is it delicious?
Yeah, and with sprinkles on it.
It's got sprinkles too?
Yeah.
You're a lucky boy.
Yeah. Yuck.
Wow. Nice tongue.
You want to try it?
No, thank you. Nice mustache.
It's just icing.
It's just icing.
Yeah.
You're just gonna eat the top of that cupcake?
Yeah.
Have a good day today, Thomas?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I went to the soccer field.
You went to the soccer field? Yep. Anything else?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
How about you eat that cupcake when we go to bed? Whoops, what's that? What are you pointing
Bowl.
at? That's the bowl. Yeah, but what were you pointing at?
Watch TV.
Watch TV. What's on TV? Oh boy. That stuff, huh?
Yeah. Hi.
Hey, buddy. Anything you want to tell everybody?
Our home.
We're home?
Yeah.
Yep, we're at home. Anything else? Want to tell anybody you love them?
I have icing.
You got icing?
For you.
For me?
Yeah.
Hey, Dolan.
Hello.
Hey, buddy.
Here you Dad. Here you go.
Oh, that's for me?
Yeah.
Thanks. Dolan, looks like you're wrestling Mom.
Hello.
Hello, buddy. How are you, Dolan?
Hey.
Hey.
Hi, Dad.
Another head injury. Thomas, how'd that happen to Dolan?
I run and hit him.
You ran and you hit him.
Yeah, I'm see.
It was kind of an accident, huh?
Yeah.
And you smacked him into the wall?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you tell him you were sorry?
I do.
You did? You didn't?
Uh-uh.
I think you did.
How? Uh-oh.
Oh, and there is what's left of the cupcake. Oh.
Oh. Milk.
You'd like some milk, please? So, why don't you say goodbye to everybody?
Now, use the milk with the camera. Say, hi over there.
You'd like me to get some milk with the camera and you can say hi over there?
Yeah.
That's it? And then we'll say goodnight?
Uh-uh.
Won't we say goodbye?
No. No, Dad. Hi over there.
Hi over there.
I'm seeing you over there.
What's that?
I'm seeing you.
Come see you?
Yeah.
Alright, hi, B. Say goodbye to everybody.
No.
No.
Also, see me.
Oh, I'll have to turn it off, then I can show you. Okay?
Also, see me.
Alright. Alright, buddy.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm on it.
What?
I'll see.
Hey, Thomas.
Yeah?
Love you. Alright. Bye, buddy. What's the best noise you can make?
Blah.
Boo-ah. Night-night, bud.